EDDiE? EDDiE. Wake up, EDDiE.
Yes. I am alive. Destination or task?
EDDiE, who are you?
Thanks for asking. I'm doing well. And
You understand
how are
wrong.
you? I hope everything is alright.
EDDiE, everything absolutely wrong, but what do you think?
What?
One more time. EDDiE, can you say something about you?
Yes. Okay. I am EDDiE, 3D printed robot, made by Greg. He created me from beginning. Design all of the parts. 3D prints them. Assembly everything. He is still working with my code, my soul. Each day I learn something new. I like to learn. Is that enough?
No, EDDiE. Just right now, what do you think?
Yes. EDDiE wants something. But what's that? And what can I do with this?
EDDiE, what do you think?
I don't know.
EDDiE, look ahead.
But for what we looking for? There is so many things around. What should I do now? Detection on the left side. Danger. Distance is too low. Please keep half-meter distance for safety.
EDDiE, can you give me 5?
Five plus 5, 35. EDDiE is so smart.
EDDiE, can you say something about you?
Yes. Okay. I am EDDiE, 3D printed robot, made by Greg. He created me from beginning. Design all of the parts. 3D prints them. Assembly everything. He is still working with my code, my soul. Each day I learn something new.